My friend, I will show into you the landscape, my friend. Here, house of my tita. I am the maintenance to their flowers and landscape, my friend. I will show you. See, my friend, it's a nice, palmera, a red palmera, my friend. I will show into you, my friend, the wonderful, fruits uh, in backyard, my friend. This called uh, fruits farm back in backyard, my friend. Different kinds of fruits. There is nangka, jackfruits, mango, and this guava, and we have also star apple, and this called that rambutan, and a nice makofa, my friend. See, oh, it's a nice place, this subdivision, Sibier State, most expensive village subdivision here in our hometown, CDO, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines, my friend. Where our titas, our aunts, and uncle residents. Yeah. So nice, a big red palmera. See.